On this YouTube channel, we are obsessed with helping you to make steps towards an extraordinary life. I'm Brandon Eastman with BeBetterIndustries.com, and we release videos nearly every single day on this channel that will help you to achieve self-mastery in your emotions, your physical body, your finances, your relationships, and even your spirituality. The reality is, you might only be one tip, one strategy, one action step away from becoming the version of you that you want to become, from achieving that goal, from getting that promotion, to earning a certain amount of money. But you just need to hear that tip to propel you in the right direction. Just 6 or 7 years ago, I was 260 pounds. I was thousands of dollars in credit card debt. And by finding the right people, the right guide, the right mentor, I was able to eliminate that weight. I was able to remove all of that debt from my life. And I was able to meet some extraordinary people that we interview and have discussions with on this channel that can help you to do the same things. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down here and hit the bell so that you're notified of all new videos that we release each week. And until we talk again next time, continue to be better.